Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Ghibli-style studio image using ChatGPT. So first, let's go to chatgpt.com. Next is you have to make sure that you log in into an account. So once you've logged in into an account, just click this add button, then click upload from computer. Next is just choose the image that you'd like to turn into Ghibli style. Next is you're just going to ask ChatGPT to generate this image into Ghibli style. You just have to type turn this image into Ghibli style studio. Click this button. Now ChatGPT is generating your image. You just have to wait a few moments before ChatGPT can completely generate your image. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily turn your photos or images into Ghibli style studios. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!